Today we're in the area of Baharka in northern Iraq, where, if you can believe it, there are nearly 500,000 displaced Iraqis living in tents, many families crammed into a single room. One of the negative impacts of being displaced is that the children have nowhere to go to school. And we have an opportunity with our partners to provide help right now for these 4,000 students. They need everything. They need renovation. They need desks. They need school supplies. Many of the teachers have been teaching for 4 months and haven't even received a salary. And I just want you to look into the faces of these young ladies. These 4,000 students in this school are open to us sharing the gospel with them through the Jesus film, through USB drives that have a copy of the Bible. They are spiritually open to learning about Jesus. So we have an unprecedented window of opportunity here to help these children get an education and at the same time come to know Jesus Christ. Please help us and please pray as we meet the needs of these hurting people here in Iraq.